Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add photo features on Facebook. So the steps are very much simple. First of all, make sure to get connected with the internet connection. Then simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Facebook. Here we go. Once you enter your Facebook, just tap on this three horizontal line at the upper right. Just tap this button and then simply enter your profile here. After you enter your profile, just scroll down below. You will see a edit public details in this blue box. Just tap on this edit public details on the center, and down there you will see a features option. Just tap on this right option, and here you can select your photos. Just select one of them and just tap on this next bottom at the bottom, and here simply you can put your title as well, title for the photo. And then simply tap on this save button at the bottom. That's it, your photo feature has been uploaded. So this is how you can simply add a photo on your featured photo. So hope this video helped you a lot. So thank you for watching. Before you go, please like, subscribe this channel as well. Thank you.